De-escalating emotional situations, a comprehensive guide for accidental counsellors. In today's video, we're focusing on a critical skill for accidental counsellors, de-escalating emotional situations. Whether you're dealing with conflicts at work, home, or in social settings, this guide will provide you with some practical steps to manage these challenges effectively and compassionately. First, it's crucial to recognize what triggers emotional escalation. Often, it's feelings of being unheard or misunderstood. Understanding these triggers helps address the root cause of the emotional response. Your inner calmness can greatly influence the situation. Use deep breaths, maintain a relaxed posture, and speak calmly to reduce the intensity of the situation by responding in a way that makes the person feel heard and understood. Express genuine empathy without judgment. Phrases like, "It sounds like you're really upset about this," can validate their feelings and can help them feel understood. Provide your full attention. Allow the person to express their feelings and thoughts without interruption, showing understanding through your body language and verbal acknowledgements. Your body language is crucial. Maintaining an open body language, being congruent with what you're verbally saying is really important. Be mindful to avoid gestures that might seem aggressive or dismissive. In high emotion situations, opt for clear, simple, succinct language. This helps avoid adding to confusion or frustration. And of course, empathy is essential. And so are boundaries. But if the conversation becomes abusive, you need to firmly state that such behaviour isn't acceptable. Being safe is crucial. Empower the person by offering choices for moving forward. This can help shift the focus to constructive solutions. If emotions remain high, suggest a short break to allow everyone to cool down. Once emotions have lessened, guide the conversation toward a solution-focused approach. Encourage the person to express and articulate their needs for potential resolutions. And afterwards, reflect on the interaction. Assess what worked well, what could have been improved for future situations. De-escalating emotional situations requires patience, empathy, and practice. These steps can help you supportively diffuse tense situations, aiming to lower emotional intensity for a constructive dialogue and resolution. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.